Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the euro versus US dollar, so let's get started. This week we've seen a large or quick move to the upside here. That move to the upside was had the catalyst of the FOMC rate decision on Wednesday, and on that move to the upside, we saw the price break up outside of this ceiling area here, then break above the 200-day moving average right through here, and then extend above other levels in the sharp move higher, including this swing area right through here. Note here that we did find support against this level before pushing to the upside right through there. The high price that we saw reached near the high prices that we saw in the end of November. Those levels came in at 1.1008 and 1.1016, and the high price that we saw trading yesterday reached up to 1.1008, and we found some consolidation, some sellers against that level, and then we saw the PMI data come out, or the flash PMI data in Europe come out, which forced the price further to the downside over the last 24 hours. So that is the dynamics of the move lower. Now what? Then the question becomes, you see this 38.2% retracement level. This level is of the move up from this low right here to this high right here. The 38.2, it comes in at 1.08996. Let's call it 1.09. So it's a nice round number. Also a nice retracement level, especially on a trend-like move. You like to see the buyers come in against that level and force the price back to the upside. If it's able to do that, that would be that would keep the buyers firmly in control, and would have traders looking toward this swing area to get to and through on the top side. Now, alternatively, the price can break below the 38.2 and start to retrace back down toward this swing area right through here, down to 1.0878, and maybe even to the 50% retracement level of the same move to the upside at 1.08659. So that's the downside projections. Now, taking a closer look at this pair, taking a look at the 5-minute chart, you can see that the price move to the downside today really got started after consolidation in the Asian session. Then we saw this spike move to the downside that was helped by flash manufacturing PMI data. The corrective move to the upside did find resistance in the 38.2 to 50% retracement of that leg to the downside. That kept the sellers more in control. And we saw another leg to the downside. This time the high price, corrective high price off of that low, came up toward the 38.2% retracement level and found willing sellers against that level right through here. And that kept the sellers more in control. Meant to do that, and that we're seeing the move back to the downside. Now it's all about the 1.0900 level. Can it get below that level, or do we find support buyers against that level and push the price higher? If we do go higher, then look for a break above the 38.2 to 50% retracement level to show more bullish, or the buyers taking more control. Alternatively, or in addition to that, we'd probably want to see the price move above the falling 100 bar moving average on the 5-minute chart. That level is moving to the downside right through here. If we get above that level too, that would put the short-term buys more to the upside as well. And we could call the end of this trend-like move, this trend-like corrective move to the downside that we're seeing trading here today. So that's my detailed look at the euro versus US dollars. We head toward the London close. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.